Do you feel like your employer is messing with your time card? Do you feel like your employer might be taking time away from you? Maybe not paying you the appropriate minimum wage, or even worse, not paying you overtime. With Workforce 2080, we've created an overtime timesheet audit spreadsheet, which you can use to enter in your hours of work inside of this section. Once you've entered in your hours, you can also enter in any pay time off, sick, vacation, or bereavement pay that you need to add on top of your pay. The biggest thing that you can do is entering in your hourly rate. Now, the best part about this is whatever hourly rate your employer said they are going to pay you, you just need to validate that with check stubs. Once you enter in your hourly rate, it's going to let you know if you're automatically under the minimum wage or not. Now, with that being said, you're going to need to go look at your timesheets and determine when your first work week began. And you'll need to enter in that date. So if I type in 9/1/2023, it'll automatically enter in that down below with the 7 consecutive days to calculate your overtime. And all you need to do from here is entering in your punch stamps. Simply, you put your in day punch and your out for lunch punch, back from in from lunch, and out for the day. If you didn't take a lunch at all, just enter in an in punch and an out punch, and it'll automatically calculate the hours in these cells. Now, the system will automatically do what's called a compliance check. If your minimum wage is not at least $7.25 an hour in any of these states that you are particularly working in, the system will automatically add $7.25 and calculate that based on overtime and minimum wage. If you were to be paid over minimum wage, you're going to notice that the system will adopt the higher rate. So no matter what is typed in this particular item or cell, it will always pay you at least $7.25 an hour. Now, the best part about this is after you're done, you can see and compare based on your check stubs and based on your timesheets inside of your payroll program to determine if you were paid the appropriate compensation for the work week that's listed here. Now, the best part about this is a one-time discount only that's going to be going on, and I am putting a promotional period together for you, and you can get this promotional period of time in between today and the end of September. I have a 2023 audit overtime spreadsheet, which is selling for $10.95. I have a discount code going for a 25% discount, and this is for the first 1,000 users, or it's going to end at the end of September. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please feel free and follow this link down below. And of course, use the discount code that I provide. That'll be good for this full month. And of course, otherwise the first 1,000 users. Best of luck to you.